Assalamu alaikum. This is Jahangir Nisar and welcome to JN Coders. Today we are going to learn how to create a search widget in a category showcase app that filters product searches in real time. Let's get started. Our first task was to rectify the syntax error. So navigate to the analysis option file to fix cons constructor errors. Next, use sizebox to ensure proper spacing between these widgets. After that, add text form field to the search field. Use decoration property to enhance this widget. It can be seen on this app. These details were covered in the previous tutorial, as you can view. Inside this extend class, declare a string variable for this search text. Create an empty list to hold filter results. Inside the build context property, establish a connection between filter list and product list with the use of where property. To enable real-time updates, use the onChange property of the text form field widget. Through setState method, we will update the string value with onChange value. Synchronization between user input and display result. With these replacements in the place, will dynamically reflect the user search queries, providing a seamless browsing experience. Opening this keyboard caused a dimension problem, which can be fixed by adding a single child scroll view widget to the initial column. Stay tuned to JN Coders for upcoming tutorials. If you require further clarification, please do not hesitate. Thank you.